Khija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is 614-35205206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759 at yahoo.com. Today we are going to discuss important points for dissolution of partnership firm. So far we have discussed the dissolution of partnership in admission and retirement. Here we are discussing the dissolution of partnership firm. When we dissolve a partnership firm, we make a realization account. Realization account means we dispose of all the assets and pay all the liabilities. If any partner take over any asset, his capital account is debited, and if he takes over any liability, his capital account is credited. Then in the realization account, we have to transfer the sundry assets and sundry liabilities at book value or balance sheet value. Individually means we have to write the name of each asset and each liability. So normally first that is realization account debit 2. We have to give the name of asset, leaving cash at bank, cash and bank account. To machinery, to building, to plant, to furniture, to prepaid or unexpired expenses, whatever it is. And then we have to transfer the liabilities. In liabilities, we have to leave general reserve, workman compensation fund, or any accumulated profit. Then Sunday, that is creditors account debit, BP account debit, bank loan, etc. account debit to realization. If the assets are sold in the market, we write cash or bank account debit to realization. If any partner take over any asset, then partner capital account debit to realization. Similarly, if the liabilities are paid, realization account debit to cash or bank. And if any partner take over the liabilities, the partner capital account debit to realization. Then expenses on realization, realization account debit to cash or bank. If credit side of realization account is more, we are having profit. The relation account debit to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Reverse is the case if debit side is more of relation account. We have a loss. So we will give partners capital account debit to realization. Then we are giving certain treatment of certain adjustments are given in the question, like the balance sheet of the firm showed the following: sundry assets rupees 5 lakh and loan of rupees 90,000. Y is to take over all stock for rupees 17,000 and sum of the sundry assets at 72,000. Within bracket being book value less 10%. Remaining sundry assets are sold at a profit of 50%. Z is to assume the entire loan with accrued interest rupees 1,000. That is Y is to take over all the stock for rupees 17,000 and sum of the sundry assets at 72,000. So in realization account, by Y's capital 17,000 plus 72,000, 89,000. You are given sundry assets of rupees 5 lakh. Y has taken for 72,000, it is book value less 10%. So what is the book value come? 72,000 into 100 upon 90. It comes 80,000. So from 5 lakh, 80,000 you subtract. How much it comes? 4 lakh 20,000. 4 lakh 20,000 they are sold at a profit of 50%. So 4 lakh 20,000 plus 50%, 2 lakh 10,000. So 6 lakh 30,000 by banking realization account. Z is to assume the entire loan with accrued interest 1,000. So Z is taken over the liability. Loan is 90,000 with accrued interest 1,000. So by Z's capital 91,000. Then total debtors rupees 60,000. Given to debt collecting agency for 50% of book value. That is, debtors are 60,000 which have been given to debt collecting agencies for 50% of book value. That debt collecting agency will pay to the firm 30,000. So in realization account we will write by bank 30,000 and expenses of realization are given 5,000. So realization account debit to bank if it is paid by the firm and if it is paid by the partner. So realization account debit to partner capital account. Now priority of payments. That is, first of all we pay to outsiders liability. Then payment is made to partners loan. And finally payment is made to partners capital. That is, priority first is for outsiders, then partners loan, and then to, that is, partners capital. Now treatment of cash or bank account or bank overdraft. These are not transferred to cash or bank account is not transferred to realization account, but at the end cash or bank account is prepared to check the validity of the questions. If you are having on a set side cash or bank balance, to balance BD in cash or bank account. If you are having bank overdraft, by balance BD. Then treatment of general reserve, workman compensation fund, accumulated losses. General reserve is the past profit which has been kept by the firm to meet contingencies. Since the firm is being dissolved, it will be transferred to partners capital account. General reserve account debit to partners capital account. Same way, workman compensation fund, which the firm has kept, that if during the service any worker meets any injury or has any loss, so he can be compensated. So same way, workman compensation account debit to partners capital account. In the same way, if there is any accumulated profit, that will be transferred to accumulated profit account debit to partners capital account. If they have accumulated losses, reverse would be the case, that is partners capital account debit to profit and loss account. Then come payment of partners loan. That is, partner loan is not transferred to relation account, but it is paid separately. Partner loan account debit to cash or bank. When any partner is assigned the responsibility of dissolution and is paid commission, so in that case, partners capital account, relation account debit to partner capital account. Compensation paid to an employee not shown as liability. It is unrecorded liability. If we are paying compensation to employee, we have not shown in the balance sheet. So that would be relation account debit to cash or bank. Then realization of unrecorded assets or liabilities. If any unrecorded asset is there, cash or bank account debit to realization. If there is unrecorded liability, relation account debit to cash or bank. Then transfer of assets with corresponding reserve or provisions. Like we are having provision for bad debts, provision for doubtful debts, provision for depreciation. When we transfer the assets on the debit side, relation account debit to like machinery to debtors, then the reserve or provision will be transferred on the credit side with liabilities. That is provision for bad debts account debit, provision for depreciation account debit to realization account. Then we are coming to memorandum balance sheet. If you are given in the question, that is liabilities or cash and bank balance, but the book value of sundry assets is not given, so we with capitals and liabilities on the liability side and cash or bank on asset side, the remaining figure would be sundry assets. We will have to prepare memorandum balance sheet to find out the sundry assets. After preparing the relation account, it will be transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. We will prepare partners capital account by balance BD, by general reserve, by relation or to relation, whatever it is. Then finally we will pay him if any partner has surplus to cash or bank. If any partner has deficiency by cash or bank. And lastly we will prepare cash or bank account. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.